Hey, my name is Dilip, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this extremely powerful app, Threadeazy. Now, what is Threadeazy? Threadeazy is a complete suite that will help you with writing, composing, analyzing, engaging, and building your threads follower base. So let me quickly take you through some of the very powerful features of Threadeazy. Now, Threadeazy is basically a composer. So when you log in, you are brought to this composing window, which again is a really powerful window. Now we have multiple options here, which is to schedule a post at a particular time, to publish now, or to add to the queue. Now I'll show you how the add to the queue works. But before that, we also have a distraction-free writing mode, because a lot of you would like to be completely distraction-free when you're writing. For that, when you enter the Zen mode, you are into a completely distraction-free writing mode where you can write your post distraction-free. And on this window, you also get to see a live preview of how your posts will appear on Threads. Now, we also have some very powerful content tools, which I'll be creating a few videos on how to go about using it. You can use recreate, you can use repurpose of posts. But let me quickly jump into some of these very powerful tools that we have here. So when I go into settings, I have an option of going into my account. So when I go into my account, what you see is a few options. One is to put together a set of queue time slots. Now these are time slots that you might want your posts to automatically be published. You can set all of that here for weekdays, for weekends, or all days. Add these time slots, and once these time slots are ready, you'll be able to use the add to queue function that I just showed you a few minutes back. You can also set your time zone here, the AI system instructions here, and once you save the account settings, it becomes customized for your own requirement. Now, another powerful feature that we have is the Analyze tab here. On the Analyze tab, you'll be able to see a quick snapshot of your performance in terms of what your follower growth is, your total posts, your total views, your engagement, your average engagement per post, and your follower growth over the last 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days. You'll also be able to see some of your topmost performing posts here. So when you look at your top performing posts, you also see an option here, which is an option to repurpose. So when you click on repurpose, it takes you to a smart repurpose page where there is an AI analysis tab, and you also see the original source. Now this is the source, which is your original post, and you have an AI analysis here where it tells you what worked for this post. Like, for example, what this post is all about. It is a myth versus reality reframe, and how to write it. You can start by explicitly or implicitly referencing a widely held belief or a perceived belief, and then create a narrative around it. And you also see a template here. When you click on use template, it takes you to the editor from where you can edit this template and create a post and publish it. Now, another powerful feature here is when you go into the analysis page, you have an option here which shows the post performance. So when you go into post performance, you see all of your posts for the last 7, 30, 90 days, or whatever time frame that you want to see. Now, this pulls the data for all of the posts for this period. When you go into views and sort it, now what this feature does is it helps you repurpose your most powerful, most engaging posts. Like, for example, I see here, this one got me about 324 views in the last 30 days. So what I do is when I click on this post, it takes me to this post details page here from where I can repurpose it, or I can save as draft. So when you click on save as draft, it gets saved into your draft. And when you go into your drafts here, you'll be able to see that the post has been saved as a draft here. Now you can click this, and when you click on edit and schedule, it will take you directly to the editor from where you can edit and schedule this post. Now, some of the other features is you have the engage options here where this puts in all the comments that you've received for your post. You can pick the time frame. It can be 14 days, it can be 30 days, or it can be the last 7 days. So depending upon the time frame, it will pull all of the posts that have comments. Now here is a post that has a comment. So when I click on that, it opens a conversation here, and you can open as many conversations as you want here, and you can engage with all of these people here. You can reply to this here, or you can add them to your favorite list. Now this is another very powerful feature which we are calling as threads, based on the term that Linux Saint has coined. So when you go into threads, this is where you'll be able to add a list of all the people that you like following or that you would like to engage with. You can create different lists here and search people and add them to that particular list. Now, how does this benefit you? It benefits you in creating different feeds. Now, if you go into this feeds dashboard here, you can see here you can create multiple feeds. You can create feeds for different keyword search. You can create feeds for different topics. You can create feeds for individual creators, and you can also create feeds for a list that you have created for yourself. And all you need to do is just click on add feed, then pick what is it that you want to do. And like, for example, this is influencers, a list that I created, and I save feed. It saves a feed and it will show me all of the posts from the people that I have added to that particular list. Now this is the feed for all of the people that I have added to that particular list. You can see here, these are the people in that particular list. Now from here, you can visit their posts, engage with them, or you see here, this is called as save as inspiration. So you can click this button and it gets saved into what we call as the inspiration tab. Now, what is the inspiration tab? When you find a good post that has a lot of views or that has a lot of comments, and if you want to replicate that post, all that you need to do is just save that post in this as an inspiration. Now, you can save this as private so that you use it, or you can build the community's crowdsourced inspiration page by selecting make public and saving the inspiration. So when you do that, all of those inspiration posts that you save will show up in this community for not only you, for all of the users of Threadeazy, from where they can repurpose the post, they can reuse it, and that way you will never run out of ideas for creating posts. And another powerful feature that we have is the bulk upload feature, where you can upload a CSV file with as many number of posts that you want, and one-click scheduling to whatever times you have scheduled or set on the CSV file. You have the template here, just need to download it and update it with all of your posts, and then go ahead and schedule it. Now, another feature here is that a lot of times when you upload a CSV file, the formatting is never good and it doesn't suit the threads, particularly the threads framework. So we have a very simple AI repurposing option. I'll show you how it works. And when I upload this file, you can see here, you can click auto format all posts and it will format all the posts automatically. This is AI that is doing this work for you. And once it formats, you can go through the post. But if you don't like the formatting, you can always undo the formatting as well. Now, those were some of the very powerful features. These features can help you speeden up your process, simplify the system, streamline it, and help you grow on threads. I hope you found this video informative and valuable. Go ahead and sign up for Threadeazy. You can get started for free, or there are very affordable plans that we have. Go ahead and check it out today itself.